Many prominent names have been mentioned in the disclosure statement of an accused in Delhi riots that broke out in February 2020. As per the supplementary charge sheet filed by the Delhi police, these names have appeared in the disclosure statement of an accused who is allegedly linked to protests against the CAA. Communist Party of India Marxist General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri, Swaraj Abhiyan leader Yogendra Yadav, economist Jayati Ghosh, due Professor Apurva Nand and documentary filmmaker Rahul Roy have all been named in the disclosure statement. Names of these eminent figures have come up in the supplementary charge sheet filed by the Delhi police in the February riots cases, allegedly for provoking and mobilizing anti-CAA protests. The crime branch had filed the original charge sheet against the Pinjra Tod members Devangana Kalita, Natasha Narwala and Jamia Millia Islamia's Gulfisha Fatima and the Karkadoma court. The charge sheet was filed against them in connection with the violence at Jafrabad before riots started. All of these three are facing charges under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in a case filed by a special cell of the Delhi police. In the supplementary charge sheet, police cited disclosure statements of Narwal and Kalita and said that both were given directions by Jayati Ghosh and Apurvanand and Rahul Roy to protest in different parts of Delhi against the CAA and NRC. The police further said Sitaram Yechuri and Yadav were named in the Gulfisha's disclosure statement. Delhi police spokesperson Anil Mittal in an official statement said it's worth mentioning that the disclosure statement has been truthfully recorded as narrated by the accused person. A person is not arraigned as an accused only on the basis of the disclosure statement. However, it is only on the existence of sufficient corroborative evidence that further legal action is taken. The matter is currently sub judice, unquote. Widespread violence had taken place in many parts of northeast Delhi from February 23 to 26. This riot broke out after weeks of ongoing protests against the CAA and the National Register of Citizens (NRC). Mr. Yechuri tweeted, BJP's illegal intimidation won't stop people from opposing discriminatory laws like CAA. To assert that all the Indians are equal irrespective of their religion, caste, color, creed, region, gender and political affiliations is not only our right but our duty. We will exercise it, unquote. Mr. Yadav also tweeted and said, harassed till proven innocent is right. Delhi police is trying very hard to drag any CAA protesters in the circles of conspirators. My only clarification is that as yet Delhi police has not formally named me or Yechuri as conspirators or accused, unquote. As per the media reports, Yogendra Yadav said, I notice that the passing reference to me does not even contain one sentence from my speech. I find it surprising that the Delhi police has made no effort to see the recording of my speeches, all of which were in the public domain. There are still many who had made incendiary and insightful comments, but nothing much has been done against them. The Delhi High Court had directed Delhi police to register a FIR against Kapil Mishra and others like Anurag Thakur and Pravesh Verma for their allegedly provocative speeches. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had said then that their FIRs would be lodged at the appropriate stage. Justice Muralidhar of Delhi High Court had expressed anguish and sadness at the failure of police to act on time against those who indulged in hate speeches. Very recently after this, a report had come out where the Collegium had transferred Justice Muralidhar to Punjab and Haryana High Court in an unusual way.